Hi guys, welcome back. This video will show you how to get healthy and shiny looking curls. The products that I will be using in this video are from the Sumilayi Haircare brand. They're Curly-Go approved and very affordable as well. You can check them out on their web shop sumilayi.com. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly, I will be showing you guys my shower routine. And this I will do with the Sumilayi Haircare products as well. So I'm going to start with the Oh So Soft Curls shampoo from Sumilayi. This I will just apply throughout my hair, and what I really like about this product is that it has a nice application cap that will make this process much easier. When I'm done, I will just massage my scalp and wait until everything bubbles up. And when that's done, I will just rinse everything out. Okay, so up next is the Oh So Soft Curls Conditioner, and I will apply a generous amount of this product because of my long hair, and just apply it everywhere until my hair feels really nice and soft. This conditioner also smells really good, guys, and it's really nourishing as well. After applying, I will be detangling my brush with the Sumilayi brush detangler, and I love this brush because it's big and it does the job quickly. And my hair barely sheds if I use this brush. Next, I will let the conditioner sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will rinse everything out. Up next is my styling routine. After showering, I will usually wrap my hair in a microfiber towel. I prefer to style on damp hair. You can choose whatever you like. Okay, so I will section my hair into two, just a half up and half down. So before I start to apply the products, I will detangle my hair with the brush again. And I will be using the Sumilayi leave-in conditioner for this next step. Also, before I start, I would like to give you guys an example of what I do. The first method to apply, I will be using the praying hand method. That's like this. The second method is the raking method. This I do in order to separate my curls and make them more defined. The third method is just shaking up the hair really lightly in order for the curls to fall into their natural state. So it will go like this. Apply with the praying hand method, rake it in, and shake the hair in order to make the curls fall into their natural state, just like this. I will be doing the same thing with the second section, but I will do everything upside down. So all of my hair is upside down. I will just comb it, apply the products as usual, so with the praying hand method, then rake it in, and also shake it up a little bit. I really take my time doing this to make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair. When I'm done, I will just flip my hair to the back and then scrunch both sides and upside down as well in order to create more volume at the roots. And after this, I will just let my hair air dry for about 30 to 40 minutes. It will kind of look like this, already very nice and defined. The products that I used did an amazing job already, but I would love to have some extra shine, so I'll just add some extra oil. Just a few drops will go a really long way. Just scrunch it in on all sides and voila, shiny and healthy looking curls. So this is the result, guys. What a transformation. I hope you liked this video. I had much fun making it and also teaming up with Sumilayi Haircare brand. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!